Careful. Okay, and as always in all of our videos, it's raining. Out again. Considering it just never is meant to rain very much, especially on this side of the island, it has been very, very consistent. So I'll get wet, that way you don't have to. Looks like a bit of a compression session in the spa. How many people can you fit? The cameras never pick it up properly, but it's like, it's raining. Back out where we're heading. I'm at a loss, Al.
And you're younger than me.
And Pluto over there in the dry. We're gonna go eat because it's 11:45, so we're gonna have an early lunch. And fingers crossed that we can get to Stitch. Feeling like we ventured out of the room a little too quickly. I find it funny when people get out of pools. Like, you do see some people that jump out, do a runner. That's Alli's favourite bit. Little cave. I can't remember either, because he got off the horse. Yeah, I feel like yesterday we went around this pool. I think if you go around the pool and loop right round. Yeah. So I was saying, like, it feels like I keep waiting to hit a spot where it slips. I love that one, how you walk in. May have to get it and go back to the room, babe.
I was like, you're also a doctor. I ain't a doctor.
I'll have fish and chips.
What are you gonna get, babe? I don't know if I want fish and chips or I might get coconut breaded shrimp.
I'll go there.
Hi.
Hi, hello friends.
You're way down here.
I'm way down here.
Can I get the coconut shrimp
Sure, anything else?
and
The Ono sandwich.
Oh, no sandwich, sure.
a fish and chips?
Fish and chips, okay.
Do you want a drink or anything? Or are you good? I think I'm okay. Do you want some of them too?
And some mini corn dog bites.
Corn dog rice, sugar. Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
So I
Thank
have
you.
coconut
Oh,
chips.
do you want a drink?
No. I've got stuff back in the room anyway, so it's fine.
Yeah. So just the 4 items today, 69 times our total. Would you like to do room or credit? Credit. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you. I've got to get up now. Yeah, I mean we can just cut straight out that way. I don't know how we ended up missing that.
Thank you for answers that receipt for you. And can I get a name for your order?
Alli, can you put them in takeaway boxes?
We don't do takeaways, sorry, we're only serving plates. We'll give you an extra tray to cover on the top.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. What was that? Sorry.
They're going to give us an extra tray to put over the top.
Yeah, beautiful. All right. I said it already. Alright, so we'll continue this back at the room because we're going to have some shit to carry. Okay, so as you can tell, it's torrential. It is horribly raining. We went to get food and yeah, it's crazy. So we'll grab some quick pics. So with
That sweet chili. Mama's Snaps, I think it is.
something like that. I'm having a mind blank now. We're back up here, but like I said, the weather's horrible. So luckily the lanai has more than enough room.
These
So-
are delicious.
What are they, little chili
Mini
dogs?
corn dog things. Oh, they are delicious. Wow, they look great.
Yeah.
Oh my, it's huge. Ow.
What is fish burger?
Yeah. Yum. It's like a dual mayonnaise.
Does that come on mine? Or did you put it there?
I put it there.
No. Where's the fish?
Yeah.
What sauce is that one?
It's like a tartare.
I'm not usually a big fan of those type of things, but we'll try it.
Oh, it's good though.
Fish was hot. But it's good. Sauce isn't that bad actually.
Wow. Hasn't stopped anyone.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna try this puppy. Oh,
We also have Stitch at 12:45. That's why we're trying to eat a bit earlier. But I dare say it's going to be inside. Bub?
hot.
That's what I was saying, like the... What do you call it? The fish was hot, the piece you gave me. They're good chip.
It's got battered fish. I'm sorry. Coleslaw.
It's dripping.
Yeah. It's actually like quite refreshing.
These little
I
dogs
didn't
are great.
expect it to be so big.
No, it's cheap. One of some of the cheapest food here.
You okay?
I'm good. I've still got to get in for them, yep. get a small one first, I suppose. Don't bite? They're crunchy, very crunchy, like the coating. They're good though.
You can definitely taste the coconut.
Yeah. No, shrimp's cooked really good. I'm not sure what's that stuff in the coating.
Coconut.
That is the coconut, is it?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's like really crunchy, but tasty. But I'll log off for a second, finish our meal, and we'll let you know how it all went. Okay, so we just finished our food, put the tray outside. The food was great.
Yeah, great.
Really, really good. This is from, is it Ulu Cafe? Is that what it was? Ulua?
Something
I'm
like
really
that.
bad with names today.
Same.
But I'll put it up. It's what we had yesterday for lunch, but this is one of their sugar cookies.
How cute is it?
So we're going to try that now and see what it's like as well. It's very brittle. Crumbly.
Oh wow, but
Sweet. That's probably not my type of thing. Give me a bite.
that was very sweet.
It's good though.
It's really good.
What are they, $8?
Well, yeah, but it is a really big cookie though.
It's a big cookie, and it's Disney once again.
Yeah.
So
Exactly. It's the gimmick of the Mickey head, you know? You gotta
Yeah.
do it.
yeah, that's it for our little rain walk and food. And next we'll be off to find Stitch. Fingers crossed.
Make sure you hit the like button. If you're not already following, make sure you hit that button too. Thanks for watching.